It's old steel water line here in Lima, Ohio. You're looking at 3/4 inch galvanized steel. Been in there since probably 1940-ish. And replaced that line because we had a leak. Had a lot of water out here at the stop. You see down in the left of the sidewalk there. So there's a bunch of water out here leaking on the customer side. So the water company said, "Gotta fix it." So they had insurance, so they called their home insurance company, and then their insurance company called us out. So we were able to pull the line from the basement wall down through there. We were able to pull the line through the yard and not tear up the rest of the yard. So it makes the customer real happy using the skills of our backhoe operator. So we're real happy with the way this turned out. They got great water pressure now. And if you need any plumbing or heating done, air conditioning work, it's the HVAC guy.